they said it was a lost cause, a ghost of metal left to rust. But hidden within this decay lies an extraordinary secret. The potential for a stunning resurrection. The first step is to peel back the layers of time, unveiling the heart of the forgotten machine. A journey to awaken a sleeping giant begins. Every bolt and screw holds a piece of the story. A puzzle being carefully taken apart before it can be solved. With helping hands, the heaviest secrets of the machine are lifted away, revealing the intricate mechanics hidden for years. Each part is methodically cataloged, a testament to the complexity within. Specialized tools are needed to coax the most stubborn pieces from their slumber. The deconstruction continues, laying bare the machine's soul. One by one, the components are freed from their rusted prison. The careful dismantling is an art form in itself. Now, the true transformation can begin. The skeleton of the engine is all that remains of its former self. Layer by layer, the past is stripped away. The sheer number of parts is a daunting sight. Every piece must be accounted for on this journey of restoration. At last, the machine is fully unveiled, a collection of memories and potential. With the past stripped bare, a new chapter begins. Sparks fly, forging a new future from the fire of the old. Even the smallest components are granted a second chance, meticulously prepared for their role in the rebirth. Here, metal is not just repaired, it's healed. The intense focus of the welder is a dance of heat and precision. With each pass, the bonds of the past are reinforced for the future. The powerful friction erases the scars of neglect. Beneath the rust, a glimmer of the original form emerges. The gears of progress begin to turn once more. Each tooth sharpened and redefined with astonishing care. This delicate process ensures a seamless harmony in motion. Patience and a steady hand are the most crucial tools. The engine's very core is cleansed of impurities. A baptism that washes away the years of idleness. A new identity is forged in a vibrant, protective coat. The machine is no longer a relic, but a work of art in progress. The reassembly begins. The heart of the machine is given new life. Each pristine part is seated with surgical precision. Slowly, the engine begins to resemble its former glory. The intricate dance of mechanics is choreographed piece by piece. The masterpiece is nearing completion. Reborn, clean, strong, and ready for its purpose. Now, the puzzle pieces start coming together. The complex gearbox, a universe of interlocking gears, is rebuilt. Every component fits perfectly into the grand design. Modern tools accelerate the painstaking process of reconstruction. Even the simplest parts are handled with immense care. The delicate inner workings of the cylinder head are restored. A new seal, a promise of a fresh start. The final bolts are tightened, securing the machine's new legacy. The assembly continues with unwavering focus. Each addition brings the machine closer to its final form. No detail is too small, no part insignificant. The craftsmanship is evident in every action. Teamwork is essential to maneuver the heavier components into place. The massive flywheel, the heart of the machine's rhythm, is installed. A final, careful inspection ensures everything is perfect. But the work is not over. Another section of the machine was scarred by fire. This too must be deconstructed and reborn. The damage is extensive, a challenge for even the most skilled hands. The process of dismantling begins once more. With persistence, even the most damaged parts are conquered. The machine's chassis requires its own meticulous attention. The wheels of change are set in motion as the old brake system is removed. Its components tell a story of countless miles and heavy loads. Deep within the transmission, more secrets are waiting. A complex network of gears, frozen in time. The layers of grease and grime are a map of its working life. Heavy chains bear the weight, a symbol of the immense task at hand. The exposed gearbox reveals the true extent of the required restoration. Delicate work is needed to preserve the smaller, fragile parts. The process is slow, deliberate, and respectful. Each part is a victory in the battle against decay. Another piece freed, another step closer to the goal. Some components resist, clinging to their long-held positions. But perseverance always wins. The final pieces of the transmission puzzle are removed. A methodical approach ensures nothing is lost. The attention to detail is astonishing. With the disassembly complete, the restoration phase resumes. Once again, fire breathes new life into old steel. A shower of sparks signals the transformative process. Now a new set of parts begins their journey from rust to renewal. Each piece is carefully shaped and cleaned. Prepared to be born again. The grinding wheel sings its song of reclamation. The metal beneath shines, its true character revealed. The transformation is slow, but deeply satisfying. This is where history is polished into a gleaming future. Every surface is treated with the same level of care. The final touches are applied, perfecting the shape. Even the most irregular shapes are masterfully restored. A new tool for a larger canvas, the engine block itself. The goal is a pristine surface, ready for a new beginning. from the largest blocks to the smallest shafts. Nothing is overlooked in this quest for perfection. The process is repeated, ensuring consistency and quality. The engine block is now ready for its new coat of paint. Each bolt and screw is also given a new lease on life. A final polish before reassembly. The process begins again, a cycle of renewal. One last time, the fire refines the metal, preparing it for service. The process of renewal continues, piece by piece. The gears are meticulously polished, ready to interlock once more. The surface of each gear must be flawless. The entire axle assembly receives the same restorative treatment. After the grinding, a thorough cleaning removes any residue. The teeth of the gears are brushed clean, ensuring smooth operation. The painting booth becomes a studio of transformation. A vibrant green signifies the machine's new life. All the related components share in this renewal. Other parts are given a bold, red finish, a symbol of their power. The collection of restored parts is a palette of color and potential. A heat treatment tempers the smallest parts for strength. This final step ensures their durability for the years to come. Now, the gearbox is reassembled with its gleaming new parts. The gears slide into place, a perfect fit. A special adhesive is applied, sealing the bond between components. The housing is carefully lowered, enclosing the restored mechanics. The transmission is slowly, carefully made whole again. The final components are added, completing the assembly. The resurrected gearbox stands ready, a triumph of engineering and dedication. The restored transmission is prepared for installation. The shafts and levers are carefully reinserted. The revitalized housing gleams under the light. The heavy flywheel is moved into position, while another critical component is prepared for its role. This valve body, a complex maze of channels, must be perfect. It's inspected and cleaned with painstaking care. A final check ensures flawless operation. Old fluids are drained, making way for new. The reassembly of the valve body is a delicate task. Each part is seated with precision. Meanwhile, the mainframe is reinforced with fire and steel. The welding process strengthens the machine's very skeleton. A coat of vibrant red paint protects and beautifies the frame. Other structural parts receive a durable black finish. Now, all the restored pieces come together. The final assembly begins, a symphony of coordinated effort. The machine begins to take its final, recognizable shape. The restored engine is married to the revitalized frame. The once forgotten giant is slowly awakening. The final adjustments are made, bringing the systems online. The wheels are mounted, a critical step towards mobility. Every connection is checked and double-checked. The engine is connected to the rest of the systems. The body panels are carefully hoisted into place. The hydraulic systems, the machine's muscles, are connected. From the driver's seat, the controls are tested for the first time. The final pieces of the exterior are attached. The moment of truth arrives. It moves under its own power. Reborn, the machine returns to the field, its purpose renewed. A forgotten giant, awakened from its long slumber. The transformation is complete, a testament to vision, skill, and unwavering dedication. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, DT Restoration, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.